Welcome, folks. This is our weekly analysis for the month of September 15th to 19th. Don't forget, this week's going to be massive for this new trading week. Don't forget, we have interest rate high impact coming on Wednesday, the 17th, right? So it is really glaring that there's going to be a reduction in interest rate USD. Right, Fed is set to cut down rates. All right. But I'm seeing it deeper than what we are anticipating, but I don't just want to go deep into that. All right. I'm seeing it deeper than we have, because if you check the Forex factor, you should understand that the interest rate is set at um at 4.25, right? 25 reduction, 4.25. You might be surprised that price might go below 4.25. That is only when we're going to have a massive move. All right, if Fed decided to reduce it below 4.25 down to 4.2, it's possible. It's possible. So let's see how the market goes. What are we anticipating for this new trading week? Don't forget, last week we anticipated a bearish move. All right, for last trading week, we anticipated a bearish move for the last trading week, and it all panned out as we anticipated. It all panned out as we anticipated. Don't forget, that was on Tuesday. Market dropped massively, or Euro USD dropped massively. Then on GBP USD also, you can see here, market also dropped massively on Tuesday. Right, on Tuesday here, we had our first entry, take profit hit, and we had a second entry which almost which almost hit our take profit, or missed it by 2 pips. All right. So what are we anticipating for this new trading week? What are we anticipating? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Right. Share it and share it. Drop your comment when necessary, so that you can get prompt notification anytime just like this is dropped. All right. I drop videos every Sunday for weekly analysis 4 p.m. GMT +1, and Saturdays for weekly review 4 p.m. GMT +1. All right. So what are we anticipating for this week? What do you think I should have said? Now, we're anticipating a bearish move again. We're anticipating a bearish move again on Euro USD and GPUSD. You may be wondering, why is the market not set to pull up? Yes, the market might be set to pull up. Hold on. The market might be set to pull up, but since the interest rate cut is coming on Wednesday, anything can happen Monday, Tuesday, and London Wednesday. Anything can happen. So I'm going bearish. That doesn't mean I might not take the bullish move if it happens. All right, on Wednesday, if it happens, but I want to go for 50 pips. All right. So it can happen on Monday, it can happen on Tuesday, it can happen on Wednesday. What are you going to watch out for? An SMT, an SMT, an SMT. There are 3 types of an SMT. Each of them can happen. Either on Monday, it can happen on Tuesday. It might even happen on Wednesday. It's possible. Target your 50 pips and you should be good for the week, guys. Get position for that move. What are we going to the areas you should be looking at? Let me show you this. The area you should be looking at. I am still want to watch out for a price to retrace into this rejection block. All right, Thursday and Friday, there's a rejection block at the top here. So price might open, push to that rejection block, and drop to target 50 pips. You are done for that week. So watch out this GBP USD on that rejection block, and watch out also. Look at this. We have an inside candle, so market can push down. All right. There's an FVG here. There's an IFVG here, guys. There's an also IFVG here. Whether he hit it or not, we are targeting 50 pips. All right. There's a block here. That is for GBUSD. On Euro USD, guys. On Euro USD, there is a rejection block here. So price can push up to the upside. All right. Give an entry and drop the pips before pushing to the upside. All right. Overall, price is still bullish on the higher time frame. All right. But there's a lot of accumulation waiting for market on Wednesday. All of this is just waiting for Fed's, release on Wednesday. All right, so get position and get your target down before the move on Wednesday. All right, till we meet on Saturday for another review on what price might be doing. Drop your comment when necessary, share the videos, subscribe if you have not done so. I wish you all the best for this new trading week. Bye.